Talk to you now about another skin procedure. This is called microneedling. It sounds kind of scary, doesn't it? Microneedling. I don't know how I feel about that. So basically, what is microneedling? Should you consider it? How can it help your skin? So microneedling is using very fine little tiny needles. Often they're on rollers or automate and a little hydraulic. Well, they have an automatic what was it called? Oh, I'm losing my words. Oh my gosh. Anyway, it's tiny needles that create tiny micro injuries on the skin surface. And that injury stimulates collagen production. So usually before you go in and have this done, they'll put some numbing stuff on your face so it doesn't hurt. But it's kind of a prickly experience. You might feel little prickles, usually well tolerated with the numbing cream. As what you'll do is you'll go and you'll lie down. It takes about 30 minutes. Usually they tell you that you should have it about monthly. And every time you go in, the cost is anywhere from $200 to $700 per session. Oh my gosh. There are microneedling devices that you can get online to use at home. But honestly, that's a little bit sketchy. Number one, it probably will hurt. And number two, they sterilize the needles and make sure that it is a very clean procedure. And so I don't think I would do this at home. I think I would want to go somewhere and have somebody do it for me. But we can see, studies from the Journal of Clinic and Aesthetic Dermatology showing improvement in skin appearance and elasticity. Now, should you do this before the prom? I say that's a no. Okay. It may be red for up to 3 days. So 1 to 3 days of redness. Usually it doesn't swell a whole lot, but it looks kind of like a sunburn. Some people, so what are the risks? Well, it's a needle. So anytime you put a needle through the skin, there is a risk of infection where the needles go in. Sometimes people can rarely have pigment changes in the area. And also, temporary bruising is another thing you might run into. So that's sort of the overview of microneedling. And let me know if you've had it done and what you thought and how it went. All right. So guys, once again, this is part of a short skin anti-aging mini course that you can get as part of my anti-aging membership. And if you want to know more about that, you can shoot me an email, clinic@feelgoodfunctionalmed.com. All right, you guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the membership.